Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's the After Effects time. We will be making this effect. Create a new composition, name it artistic, 1920 by 180, 30 frame rates, 10 seconds duration, background color black. Take your text tool and type the text you want to animate as a cinematic effect. Later align your text. And now it's time for the animation. Click on the three-dimensional effect and then open up the layer and enable 3D effect. Then click on the text and click on animate one more time actually, and give it a position and a blur. Add one more animation, properties, opacity. Animation part, we will give a position of -2400 to make it zoom out completely, and a blurriness of 100% because we don't want anything to be shown here. So we'll give like 100 and this will make it look very nice. Completely disappeared. Go to range selector 1. Give an offset value of -100 in the first frame rate. Then click on the stopwatch and go to 2 frame rates per second longer and turn it into +100. Yes, like that. And then click on the advanced. Choose the shape type as ramp up, and this will give you a good setting. As you can see, well, actually right now my it's buffering for the playback because it's not pre-rendered. To make it more realistic and cinematic, we will add a opacity of 0. When it is coming, the shadow will also be not shown. It will just directly appear. As you can see, it will look very nice and attractive. And it's a smooth and good one. We will change the easy low percentage to 100% to make it more smoother and faster. And this will look very good one. I'm actually doing some settings to make it more realistic and cinematic, and it looks good to me so far. Click on the randomize order and let the amount to be 10. This will give a best effect, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials.